Welcome to today's video review of the Elegital Emergency Response Shears Stainless Steel Foldable Scissors Pliers. These are multifunctional and heavy-duty shears that are designed for use in emergency situations. In this review, we'll take a closer look at these shears and review their features and benefits. So without further ado, let's get started. The Elegital Emergency Response Shears are made of high-quality stainless steel, making them durable and long-lasting. They are designed to withstand heavy use in emergency situations and are resistant to corrosion. The shears feature a foldable design, making them easy to carry and store. The blades are serrated for easy cutting of various materials, including clothing, bandages, and tape. The shears also have a built-in wire cutter and pliers, making them even more versatile. One of the main benefits of the Elegital Emergency Response Shears is their versatility. The combination of scissors, pliers, and wire cutters makes them an essential tool in emergency situations where time is of the essence. The foldable design of the shears makes them easy to carry and store in a first aid kit, emergency bag, or backpack. The serrated blades provide a quick and efficient cutting action, which can be crucial in emergency situations. Another benefit of these shears is their durability. The high-quality stainless steel construction means that they can withstand heavy use without becoming damaged or dull. The corrosion-resistant material ensures that the shears remain in good condition even after extended use in wet or damp environments. The Elegital Emergency Response Shears are designed for use in a variety of emergency situations. They are ideal for cutting through clothing, bandages, and tape to quickly access wounds. The built-in wire cutters and pliers make them useful for cutting wares, removing splinters, and performing other tasks that require a strong grip. They are also useful for cutting through materials such as cardboards, rope, and plastic. In addition to emergency situations, the Elegital Emergency Response Shears are also useful for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, and fishing. The foldable design and lightweight construction make them easy to carry in a backpack or pocket. The serrated blades are useful for cutting through tough materials such as rope and fishing line. Overall, the Elegital Emergency Response Shears stainless steel foldable scissors pliers are a versatile and durable tool that is ideal for use in emergency situations. The combination of scissors, pliers, and wire cutters makes them an essential tool for first aid kits, emergency bags, and backpacks. The foldable design and lightweight construction make them easy to carry, while the high-quality stainless steel construction ensures their durability. Whether you are a first responder, outdoor enthusiast, or just looking for a reliable tool to have on hand in case of an emergency, the Elegital Emergency Response Shears are an excellent choice. Thank you for watching this review, and we hope you found it informative.